All right, here with Coach Leon Rice, fresh off a win over Nevada. Coach, you guys stick to the blueprint. Shoot the three ball well and spread them out a little bit.
Yeah, and then we went on a nasty little turnover stretch. I haven't seen that all year. We got to shake that off. And, you know, we're playing a great New Mexico team tomorrow, and we have to go from playing good and playing scrappy to playing great to compete with them.
Ryan Watkins tonight, almost a double-double, becomes another Boise State player that goes over 800 rebounds for his career. How important is he? I mean, Drimmick and Marks and Oloriaga get a lot of the headlines, but he's a blue-collar guy that is so key to your success.
Oh, he's huge. He's an all-league player, and he certainly has earned his way into that. And, you know, I don't give him many rests, and he just is out there battling possession after possession, and he's huge to our team.
Speaking of rest, Anthony Drimmick goes out, looked like he is in a ton of pain, but because of the stage, the magnitude of the game, he comes right back in and is a factor down the stretch.
He was a huge key to us getting going in the second half. He sparked us defensively. He scrapped, he hustled, he made big plays for us defensively. That got us going offensively.
You're one of the few teams that have beaten New Mexico in conference play. How do you get it done?
Well, there's no magic formula. You have to play great against them. They're a terrific basketball team. In my estimation, I don't care what the polls say or anything, they've got 4 all-league players, or maybe 5. They're just a great basketball team, and we know that if we don't play our best game, we're in big trouble.
Be a great semifinal.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.